Ever feel like Canva has way more graphics than it's willing to show you? In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick, simple ways to unlock hidden Canva elements that most people never find, plus how to grab the exact codes so you can save them, reuse them, and share them with your friends.
In this video, I will show you a few different ways that you can find hidden Canva elements. The first thing you want to do is open up a new template or a blank page and then go into Elements. Once you're here, there is a search bar. This is where you can enter any set codes or artist names in here to find your hidden elements. And these would appear on social posts or any other Instagram reels that are promoting this. And all you need to do is copy the set name. You have to remember to include this part so that it knows it is searching for a set. Once you have this code and include this, then you'll find the set of hidden Canva elements. Another way of searching for hidden elements is using artists, and sometimes they will appear like this. You have to remember to include the @ so it knows that it's an artist. And once you enter this, then you can go see all the graphics that are related to this artist. As you can see, you can expand and then go in here and see that this is from the same artist. Another way that you can find it is if people add the brand, and this is what it will look like. You'll have to include this brand in front and then the code in the back and then search. And then this is where you will see this brand's list of elements. So now that you've found some hidden elements, what if you want to share these elements? Well, if you want to share these elements, we can take one of these as an example. And all you want to do is click on the element, 3 dots, and then go to info. What you want to do is if you want to share the artist, you can go in here and then you will find the @ code here. And if you want to share the set, you can go view collection, and then this is the set code that you will be sharing. I hope this video helped, and now you can start sharing and using secret Canva elements. If you like this video, follow for more. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.